Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Peloton easy guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Peloton bike or treadmill. Carefully remove all packaging materials and ensure you have all components. Locate the assembly instructions included in the box. Gather the necessary tools as outlined in the instructions. Begin by assembling the base of the bike or treadmill. Secure all screws tightly but do not over-tighten. Attach the seat or dashboard according to the manual. Make sure all parts are correctly aligned and fitted securely. Next, place the equipment in your desired location. Ensure there is ample space around the machine for safety. Plug in the power cord to a wall outlet. Turn on the device using the power button. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Connect to your Wi-Fi network when prompted. Download any necessary updates for the software. Customize your profile settings, including your fitness preferences. Once setup is complete, take a moment to explore the available classes. Familiarize yourself with the touchscreen interface. Adjust the bike's or treadmill's settings to suit your comfort. Finally, ensure all safety features are functional before your first workout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.